Hello, my dear friends. First of all, I would like to welcome all of you in today's topic or today's episode. Today, we have a topic like describe a place you visited that has been affected by pollution, and we have few keywords like where is it when you visited this place, what kind of pollution you saw there, and explain how this place was affected. And it's a part one video, or I can say section one or part one. In this section, we are just about to identify the tense, and after that, we will develop our idea for this topic with the help of Fluency Blueprint, and I will give you sample cue card answer after that. And this topic has 10 follow-up questions, so we can see that follow-up questions or their answers. And yes, our next topic is describe a friend or person who is a good leader. So if you haven't subscribed our channel, then you need to subscribe, because I don't think so you want to miss our next topic. Do not fast forward instruction, because I don't think so you want to lose information again. And run this video on 1.25x or 1.50x if you're listening strong. If you are a good listener, then you can run this video on fast mode. So like this, you can improve your listening skill. Okay. So you can see here, has been affected by pollution. It is in passive form, present perfect. Okay, tense is present perfect and the form is passive form. So you can see the present tense in a title, and you visited past tense in a title. Okay, where it is, where is it in a present, and you visited in a past, you saw in a past, and was affected in a past. But we need to create some kind of, I can say, present perfect continued tense for finish this structure. So we know that tense now means we need to synchronize each and everything in present and past form. Okay, so it's our fluency diagram. I'm right now just about to create a rough story on the basis of this fluency diagram. Just pause this video and draw each and everything on a piece of paper or in your notebook, so it would be helpful for you in the future. Okay, I hope you have done each and everything which I told you. Now, today I would like to share an incident when I visited a place called Ganga Khed. I visited over there with one of my best friends, and I visited over there only because my father recommended this place. When he was a kid, he loved to visit over there to see the greenery, because it's a kind of hilly area, and this city is situated on the ledge of Ganga River. So that's why. So I was very crazy on that time to see the beauty of that city, as my father told me. So I did little bit planning. After following recommendations, few recommendations I can say from my father, I made a rough plan, and we took a train to reach that place. But when we reached over there, we saw pollution each and everywhere. So me and my friend, we both got surprised. Maybe my father is not aware or was not aware on that time about the current situation of that city. So we cut it short in our journey, and within 2 days or 3 days we returned back. Over there, each and every type of pollution is available. Okay, because it is still available. So is available. Air has been affected by the industrial dust, and it's a kind of shock for me, because in the city industry is not common, but I was able to see industry everywhere. So in water also uncontrolled waste was available, and I was able to see floating oil or paint on the surface of that river. This happened only because of modernization of that city, and there is no rule available to install such kind of harmful industry in a city, in that city or in that district. So government should need to design and develop some kind of specific laws to control the situation of that city. It happened only because of the laziness of the government of employees, because they they were just sleeping on that time when the dust everywhere, when dust is in the air and air pollution is everywhere, and they are just sleeping. And future, I hope in future they will do something good, and something to control the environment. So that is it. It's a kind of rough idea with the help of this fluency blueprint. Now let me show you actual cue card. Okay, here we go. Thank you for letting me talk about this topic. Last year I visited to Ganga Khed with my friend through train, and we thought we would enjoy our trip, and this was a beautiful place to visit as per my father, because when he was child he used to visit Ganga Khed for picnic and spend holidays. And after that, so we made a plan to go over there. To our surprise, this place was severely affected by the pollution, and instead of enjoying our trip, we cut it short and returned home immediately. It was early summer last year, and visiting a place near the Ganga river, which is surrounded by natural beauty and recommended by my father, was an excellent idea. At last, at that time, okay, I am sure my father had no idea about the severity of the pollution over there now and how things have become worse with time. The water pollution was quite severe there, and the black and oily elements that were floating on the water created a shocking scene. Uncontrolled waste management, toxic elements from factories and industries, motorized vehicle running on the water, and the lack of proper maintenance of the riverside are the main reasons the water has got polluted. More shockingly, the air pollution was also noticeable. I saw many industries and factories that were exhausting black gases, and that has made the air polluted more than any other part I know about. Uncontrolled urbanization, the establishment of new factories and industries without proper planning, lack of strict policies, and laziness of government employees are the main reasons for increasing pollution in our country. I wish this will stop and we will be conscious enough not to destroy our own inhabitant. Okay, so now we are going to take a look of our 10 follow-up questions. Whenever you visit this place, do you throw litter on road? No, definitely not. I always try to maintain cleanliness. Okay, cleanliness. Even I carry one big bag with me. Sometimes when I am not available to find the dustbin around me, I put my leftovers in the bag. What kinds of pollution are serious in your country? All kinds of pollution are serious in my country. Water, noise like air pollution and soil pollution. The major grounds of air greenhouse gases are exhaust from the vehicles and the factories. Factories are also a major cause of water pollution as they release the waste into water bodies. The vehicles on the road and also various other reasons cause noise pollution, like from loudspeakers used at festivals, right? What can individuals do to protect our environment? Individuals can pay a lot towards atmosphere protection. There are a lot of measures which can be taken at on distinct level. People can keep their environment clean by not littering and greener by planting more plants and trees. The use of non-renewable source can be dropping. Reusing and recycling can be immediately towards protecting our locations. For short distances, people should use an eco-friendly or public mode of transport like a bicycle, buses, or they can walk rather than using a vehicle. The use of plastic can be reduced greatly at an individual level, and we should not buy things which have too much of wrapping material. Do you think individuals should be responsible for pollution? Yes, I think so. Individuals have an obligation towards the pollution caused. The major pollution cause is due to individuals through automobiles, so it is an individual responsibility to cause less toxic waste by reducing the use of private vehicles and use the eco-friendly modes of transport or public convenience mode. Also, to mitigate the effects of pollution, individuals must plant more trees and shouldn't litter their surrounds. Why is there a need to involve government in environment protection? Well, according to me, the government plays a crucial role in environmental security to confirm that the individuals and automobiles, factories, industries do not hurt the environment. There have to rules and acts fulfilled by the government. For example, recently in Delhi, the state government implemented the odd even car rules which every resident followed, and it has helped in reduction in pollution level in Delhi. Why people throw waste material on roads? Because people like to blame the government for the whole thing, even for simple manners like not throwing garbage everywhere. Littering by the poor and underprivileged is logical to some extent, but here in the so-called great country of ours, even the rich and educated people or public do not hesitate to dump garbage in public spaces. Once I was traveling in the train with a group of kids and teenagers for a summer camp who were headed to National Park in Delhi. There was a pretty rude girl sitting in front of me who kept on throwing cans, wrappers, bottles outside the window of the train. When I lost my temper, I told her not to throw stuff outside and even suggested her to collect it in a plastic bag and throw it later. She said, "Let it be, what is your problem?" So, this is the attitude we face from these people. They all say it's okay. I think we need strict laws like other countries. How can the government encourage people to keep their city clean? For cleanliness, dustbins must be kept at all public places like buses, stations, railway stations, and all other public transportation places. Dustbins should be kept at proper distance on roads. Proper waste management system should be kept in every area. Rules should be made and action should be taken if someone breaks the law. Day to day washing and dusting of public places is essential. They should make public aware of importance of cleanliness and must tell them the after things of not keeping it clean. Proper public toilets are to be made and local administration should maintain regularly. What do you think are the common environmental problems that are affecting my country these days? Well, the primary environmental problem that is greatly affected the world is the excessive greenhouse gas productions from transportation. from the burning of fossil fuel for electricity and the heat generated from using some products like appliances that contain greenhouse gases in business and homes. These greenhouse gases trap the heat in the atmosphere and make our planet Earth warmer. As a result, sea level rises due to the melting of ice in both north and south poles. Another problem is the extreme use of plastic, which contributes to tons of garbage around the world that kills many living organisms like the marine life. These two major environmental problems have not been properly addressed by world leaders, and sadly, we are already paying the price for our actions, such as experiencing the high increase of temperature and the irregular weather conditions. What do you think is the world's most environmental disaster caused by humans? I consider the nuclear power plant accident in Chernobyl, Ukraine as the world's worst environmental disaster caused by humans. If my memory serves me right, the explosion happened in 1986. Well, I was not born at that time yet, but I read several articles of that nuclear disaster, and what I learned was that one of the reactors of that power plant was defectively designed, and some inadequately trained plant operators made a mistake during their safety test operation in the plant. The disaster displaced many people and many were killed due to acute radiation syndrome. Not only that, the site and the neighboring places were incredibly contaminated with radioactive materials that made people abandon their homes. The Chernobyl accident is the world's dangerously unique environmental disaster. Now, last one. Do you believe that problems of pollution will be better in the future? I recently want to believe that, yet day by day I am getting skeptical for the reasons that world frontrunners are not really thoughtful about improving the disorder of the environment. World conferences sessions about addressing the environmental subject are just a cover up. If they take action very seriously to improve the condition of the environment, many industries will be affected. For example, if electric cars are heavily promoted and supported by governments for the purpose of massively reducing air pollution, oil companies will suffer and that imperil the world economy. That is something we cannot afford to bear. If we also use electric cars, we will be burning more remains petroleum to make those cars work, and that too is harmful to the environment. So we do not have any better choice, and that makes me believe that the condition will not be better in the future, especially on the issue of air pollution. Well, I'm just being realistic. Okay, so with this, I just finished. I have just finished what today's section, which is part one, and in the next video, I will cover the cue card once again to recall, just I can say recall memory. After that, I will tell you a mini story on that topic or in that topic. And yes, definitely you need to subscribe this channel. Okay, bye bye, take care. I will see you soon.